Welcome, gentlemen, to a journey through the profound teachings of African fathers, lessons that resonate across generations, shaping not just the men we become, but the impact we leave on the world. Lesson 1. Resilience in the storm. In the face of life's tempests, our fathers taught us to stand tall, like the acacia tree weathering the storm. Life will challenge you, but remember, it's in the struggle that your strength is forged. Lesson 2. The dance of patience. Patience, my brothers, is a dance with time. Our fathers knew the rhythm, teaching us to wait for the right moment, for the fruit to ripen and the harvest to be bountiful. Patience is the mark of a true man. Lesson 3. Ubut. I am because we are. We are not solitary beings, but threads in the intricate tapestry of life. Ubut is not just a word, it's a way of living. Our fathers instilled in us the importance of community, reminding us that our strength lies in our unity. Lesson 4. The fire within. Deep within every man, there's a fire, a passion that burns brighter than the sun. Our fathers encouraged us to discover and nurture this flame, for it is the source of our purpose and the driving force behind our legacy. Lesson 5. Silence speaks volumes. In a world filled with noise, our fathers taught us the power of silence. In the quiet moments, you find clarity, wisdom, and the ability to truly understand others. Let your actions speak louder than words. Lesson 6. Honoring elders. Our fathers showed us that wisdom is not just found in books, but in the stories of those who came before us. To honor our elders is to drink from the well of knowledge, ensuring that the roots of our heritage remain strong. Lesson 7. The sacred covenant of family. Family is the cornerstone of a man's legacy. Our fathers emphasized the sacred covenant we hold with our loved ones, teaching us that a man's wealth is measured not in possessions, but in the love he gives and receives. Lesson 8. Adaptability in the savannah of life. Life is a vast savannah, ever-changing and unpredictable. Our fathers, like wise lions, showed us the art of adaptation. Be flexible, embrace change, and learn to navigate the twists and turns of your journey. Lesson 9. The shield of humility. True strength lies in humility. Our fathers taught us that even the mightiest baobab bows before the wind. Embrace humility, for it shields you from arrogance and opens your heart to continuous growth. Lesson 10. Courage beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon lies the unknown. Our fathers, brave warriors of life, taught us that true courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Venture into the unknown with a heart filled with courage. Lesson 11. Legacy in the footprints. As the sun sets on our fathers' footprints, they left behind a legacy etched in the sands of time. Every step we take is an imprint on the earth, a testament to the lessons learned. Remember, your legacy is written with each choice you make. As we conclude this journey through the wisdom of African fathers, let these lessons resonate within you. May they guide you, empower you, and inspire you to be the man you were born to be.